Hello children, today we will learn the sound of I, the letter I. आज हम letter I का sound सीखेंगे, okay? What does the letter I says? It says E. I says E. Let us see how. Now listen carefully and repeat with me, okay? सब ध्यान से सुनेंगे और साथ में repeat करेंगे. Iggy the iguana says E. I says E. E says the letter I. Here is an insect. E. Insect. An insect for Iggy. Let us do again. Iggy the iguana says E. E says the letter I. Here is an insect. E. Insect. An insect for Iggy. Okay? Repeat this again. Iggy the iguana says E. E says the letter I. Here is an insect. E. Insect. An insect for Iggy. Got it? Let's do the exercise. Now look at these pictures and say the words. And then we will circle the first letter of each word. What is this? Igloo. Circle letter I. Letter I says E. Igloo. This is ink. Circle the letter I. I says E. Ink. This is Italy. Circle the letter I. I says E. This is an injection. Circle the letter I. It says E. Injection, idli, ink and igloo. So children, what is the sound of the letter I? The sound of the letter I is E. Okay, happy learning.